Hi, I'm Len Furman, and I'd just like to take a couple of minutes and share with you what I do at Furman Innovation. I moderate focus groups, facilitate brainstorming sessions, and also speak and conduct training on innovation. I'm the former head of ideation at Bank of America, where I led all the brainstorming sessions. I now teach at the University of North Florida, where I created the course there on business creativity and innovation. I also am a faculty member with the American Management Association, where I teach creative thinking in business and design thinking. I'm a thought leader in the innovation world. I've spoken at many conferences, and I recently published a book, Business Creativity and Innovation, which is available on Amazon and barnesandnoble.com. My background further is 25 years of managing innovation at Fortune 500 companies, where I had the great opportunity to introduce many new products and services and lead the front end of innovation for Bank of America for many years. I'm also a high energy and creative business consultant. I'm one of the few Americans that have run a 5-minute mile after the age of 50 and had an article documenting it in Runner's World. I'm also a 7-time gold medalist at the World Joggling Championships. That's running while juggling. And the core of my business is managing and consulting the front end of innovation for companies, and also speaking and talking about this. My 3 simple steps that I advocate for managing the front end of innovation are explore, ideate, and evaluate. I'll help you understand customer needs, brainstorm to generate ideas to capitalize on those needs, and then evaluate the top ideas and help you identify those that are best for moving on to design and development. That's what I do at Furman Innovation. I hope to have the opportunity to help out your companies or speak to your group. Thank you very much.